I bet this water will turn you into a mermaid.
Yeah. Getting ready to take it in, Noah?
So, Daddy,
So what?
did you hear back from...
No. You know what, you guys? What do you see out there? Maddie, what do you see out there? I see swells, yep. Look at them, Noah. This looks like the first real swell since we've been here.
I see it.
We might even black out the sun a couple times. Maddie, I see you sneaking away. Here it comes, bud. Oh, man. Oh, feel that breeze. Well, I think this next one might get us a little bit. Okay, stay close. Stay close. Boom! We got, wait, here comes another one. Maddie's. No, it's not going to get you. Boom! Oh. Hey, yeah, you can keep going, Maddie. But hey, no, check it out. We're going to, here, crouch down with me right here. Look at this big one. Maddie, stay where you are. Don't go any farther back. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, look at that one. Okay, get crouch down. This is going to be a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that one. Yeah, these are good ones right here. It's funny, the taller they are, they don't seem to have as much force. Okay, here it comes, here it comes. Go up there a little bit more, get a little bit wet. Whoa! Oh!
Why did you tell me to do that?
Well, hey, don't be stabbing me
No,
with a
you
carrot
deserve
sword.
it. You deserve it.
Maddie's out of here. She's like, okay, that's it.
That's what you deserve.
I'm out of here.
Oh my God. Daddy,
All right.
Daddy.
Yeah, no, the swells are done. Stupid daddies always go down to the beach where the waves are gigantic and putting my life in danger. I'm saying I'm going straight to a phone book and I'm going to call CPS, Child Protective Something Services. That's it. He's in deep trouble. I'm going straight and ow. What are you doing?
You deserve that.
What you got a thorn on my leg?
No.
All right, we're out of here. Come on, let's go this way.